Good day everyone, this is Charmark TV and today we will answer this problem coming from Philippine Mathematical Olympiad. Let R and S be the roots of the polynomial 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. Which of the following is a polynomial with roots R over S and S over R? Pause this video to give yourself a try, and when you're ready, keep on watching to reveal the answer. So, sabi nga dito sa problem, uh, yung equation na 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 0, yung roots ng equation na ito ay ilit natin as R and S. Okay? R and S yung roots ng 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, i-recall nga natin yung yung sum and product of roots. Yung sum of roots, 'di ba? That is R plus S po yun. R plus S is equal to yung sum of roots ay equal sa negative B over A. Okay? Negative B over A po yung, yung sum of roots. Bale, yung B po natin is the linear coefficient. Ito po yun, coefficient ng linear term. Tapos yung A ay yung coefficient ng quadratic term. So, we have negative 4, yung value ng B, habang yung A naman po ay 3. So we have negative 4 over 3. Bali, magiging positive 4 over 3 kasi dalawa yung negative. Okay? Habang yung naman, product of roots, ayan, product of roots, bali, R times S po yun. No? Uh, yung product of roots ay C over A. Yung C is the constant term and yung A is the coefficient of the quadratic term. Bale, yung C po ay 2, tapos yung A naman ay 3. So bale ang value ng R times S ay 2 over 3. Habang yung value ng R plus S ay 4 over 3. Now, iset aside muna natin tong dalawa, yung sum at saka product of roots. And this time, kukunin naman natin yung equation kung saan yung roots ay R over S at saka S over R. So, ima-manipulate natin. Ano po? Bale, una, kukunin natin yung sum ng dalawang ito. Bale, R over S plus S over R. So, kukunin natin yung LCD, no? LCD ng dalawang ito. Bale, RS po ang LCD nila. So, para sa R over S, 'di ba? Imumultiply natin both numerator and denominator by R. Okay? And para naman sa S over R, imumultiply natin both numerator and denominator by S. Ayan po. And then, saka natin i-simplify. Bale, R times R equals R squared plus S times S is S squared all over S times R or R times S. This will become RS. Ayan po yung LCD nila. Bali, we have R squared plus S squared all over RS. And then, para naman sa product of roots, bali, imumultiply natin tong dalawa, R over S times S over R. We just cancel each other, yung S at saka yung R, no? Bale, 1 na po yung product nila kasi lahat ng factors ay na-cancelled out na. So, 1 po yung product of roots nila. Okay? Now, ang kukunin na lang natin is yung value ng R squared plus S squared all over RS. And to do that, kunin mo to, bale, R plus S is equal to 4/3. Para makuha si R squared at saka S squared, kunin mo lang yung square, no? Both sides ng equation. This will become R squared plus 2RS plus S squared. In-expand natin tong yung binomial, okay? Equals 16 over 9. Okay? And then, i-rearrange natin, bale magiging R squared plus S squared, tapos ilipat natin si 2RS sa kabilang side. This will become 16 over 9 minus 2 times R times S. Pero ang value ng R times S natin or yung product nila ay 2 over 3. Okay, substitute na lang natin. Ano po? This will become 2 over 3, no? Ayan. So, bale, magiging ano siya? 16 over 9 minus 4 thirds. And then, gawin natin similar yung fractions. So, i-multiply natin both numerator and denominator by 3. Ayan. This will become 16 minus 4 times 3 becomes 12 all over 9. And 16 minus 12 is 4 over 9. So, that's the value of r squared plus s squared. Okay, 4 over 9. Okay, so dito natin ilagay. We have 4 over 9 over, excuse me, over r times s. Ang r times s po natin ay 2 thirds. And then, divide natin yung 4 over 9 sa 2 over 3. Okay? You just multiply like this, no? Tapos, i-cancel out natin yung mga common factors. Katulad ito, 9 at saka 3. So, 9 magiging 3, tapos yung 3 magiging 1. Tapos, yung 4 at saka 2 naman, yung 4 magiging 2, tapos yung 2 magiging 1. We just canceled out the common factors, okay? And then, i-multiply natin. So, 2 times 1 is 2 over 3 times 1 equals 3. So, this is the value of r over s plus s over r. So, anong gagawin natin sa mga ito? Bali, ipa-plug in natin sa required polynomial na sinusolve natin. Ano po? Kaya naman, no? Kaya naman, isusulat natin in the form of x squared minus the sum, okay, sum of the roots x plus the product. Okay, ayan po. This is just the quadratic equation. So, dyan natin ipapasok yung sum and product of roots. And this will become x squared equals 0. Ayan, kalimutan natin. And this will become x squared minus, yung sum nila ay 2 thirds. Okay, x plus, tapos yung product of roots nila is 1. So, kaya sulat natin yung 1 equals 0. And para maging whole number yung coefficients nila or integer, bali i-multiply natin sa 3 yung LCD nila, no? Okay, ayan po. We have 3x squared minus 2 over 3 times 3. Cancelled out yung 3 dito. Bali, 2 na lang po, no? So, 2x plus 3 times 1 equals 3 equals 0. At ito po yung equation na hinahanap natin. So, to answer the question, since this is a multiple choice question, the answer for this problem is letter C. So, ito po yung tamang sagot sa tanong. Okay? C is 3x squared minus 2x plus 3. And this concludes our random problem and I hope you learned something. Para sa iba pang mga problems na kagaya nito, just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and follow me also on my TikTok account. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.